here is the stand. Hopefully the lighting is okay, but this is the stand. It's such a gorgeous presentation. Absolutely love it. I just put a couple of things here just to show how it will look. Yeah, so that is how it looks in the entryway. I really love the height of the mirrors and how it's sitting. I do need to get an entryway rug there. I think that'll be really nice. Just a little seat here on this side where you can sit down, put your shoes on, take your shoes off, or just for decorative purposes. The height of the door, which I think brings your eye up when you're coming in or leaving out the house, which I think is good. It gives the area some height. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I just have some things here just to set it down, just to feel the vibes as far as how much it can hold, what looks cute as far as like a bow, a plant, a vase. So yeah, I think it's a really good presentation. It's a good size for sure for the entryway, because the entryway is narrow here. It's just like a really long hallway. So I think just having this, I put the dimensions up on the screen, and this piece is from Amazon. Mirrors, I love them. They're from IKEA. These two were about $79 each, which I thought was not bad. Beveled edge, and it was the perfect match to the stand. So I love that. This is just a plant that I had already in my restroom here. And my restroom here is from Hand Collection from Target. I think this is a Target bowl, if I'm not mistaken. Vase, I think from Homegoods. Very nice. I like this stand because I don't have any pulls on it, so I think it gives a very seamless finish. It does have the fluting on it, which I think is a decorative, aesthetic kind of vibe on its own. I like the rounded edges of the stand. I think it gives a little character. Once you walk in, it's definitely a focal point. I want to hang, there's 2 photos on each side here with the picture lights, and then right behind, if you guys can see in the mirrors where you guys are, I'm gonna have some pictures there with the picture light above it. I am gonna get 2 sconces on the sides. Insert a photo of my inspiration photo to show you how the sconces will look on this side. We hang the mirror, so we definitely wanna make sure that it's secure. I'll probably end up putting like a little runner or something here on the floor. Pretty much be the entryway. I had thought about putting a chair on this side. I thought it would look good just to have like a little sitting area. And then I really like this here. So I even wanted to have a little seat here sometimes, or if I'm getting ready or we're coming in, you can have a little chair here to sit down in, take your shoes off, take your boots off, since this leads right into the mud room around the corner there. So I may find like a smaller chair to sit there, but I don't want to crowd off the entryway space. I think right now it's pretty good. This is the vibe. I think it opens it up. I like the mirrors because, like I said, since there's not a lot going on in here and it's a dark area coming into the house because there's not any windows and it's just a long run, or it's like right now I have the light on above, I have the light above you guys, and it's still really dark. Like, let me show you guys. Without the light, this is the natural tone of the space. So yeah, I think that will add, the mirrors just add a little extra light to the flow of the space, which is what I wanted to do, was just to bring some natural lighting in as you're coming through the house, because the rest of the house is so bright. Cave entry, I wanted it to be open, bright, and airy. So that's why I wanted these mirrors matching the rest of the house as far as the vibe and the tone and the flow. I may just do, like I said, the 2 sconces on the side. And I thought about putting a picture light above the mirror, but let's see, I'll take you guys all the way up. These are really tall mirrors, as you can see. So that's the height, if you can see the height a little bit better. Ooh. You guys are shaking. But you can see the height a little bit better there. So it's up. I don't think they're quite 6 feet tall, but at least like higher end of the 5, like 5'9" or so in terms of feet up. So yes, y'all. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I think it looks really good with the door and just flowing into. As you can see on the stand, it's got a little hint of gold at the bottom, and that's the only gold that's on the whole. And I like that little touch. It gives it a little something without being too much or bringing in too much of like a gold tone or anything. It's just like a little, I think leaves it really classy, especially for coming right into the house. So you'll come right off of here into the mud room, a little somewhere to sit right there to, besides the mud room, but somewhere to, you know, just to kind of sit, but just more so for aesthetic. I love this one with the fluted detail. It's got 4 drawers. Oops, 4 drawers. This is from Amazon. Carrie did put this together. So it's like that. And it's got storage space on the inside, which is really, really cool. That's on both sides. So this is really good. Kind of the ones you press in and out. Yeah. So a lot of storage in here. A lot of storage in here. Right off of the mud room. Those are those IKEA rugs, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep them there. Just to stop a little dirt coming in. 2 rugs stacked like that in the mud room, or just needing like a big rug to go here. But for now, I just put those there. But this is a good wood. It's solid wood. You can easily put some pulls on the drawers if you want to. And I need 2 pictures or some large pictures here, or 4 pictures with the picture light on this wall here, and something in here, which I think will be really pretty to have a couple pictures here, big pictures with a picture light above them, something on this wall as well. So that's the vibe. I really like it, and I think it's really nice. So more finishing touches to the entryway coming into the house. I need to also change out my wreath on the door as well, because it's more of a summer vibe and we're going into the fall. I'll do that as well. It had a little spider web on it, spider and spider web, so I'll let Terry take the wreath down, then I can put the fall wreath that I currently have up. But I do want to get a different one that I've been seeing. Fine, I think it may be on Amazon, but it's a really pretty vibe. And so that's it. We still have our stuff up from Caleb's birthday yesterday. You guys can see. So I need to, we'll let this sit for a little bit longer and then clear it out. But you can see how the, still need to play with that. That needs to be centered and everything on the wall too. So right now, this is just a work in progress. It actually looks kind of messy to me, but I understand that it's not finished yet, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. All right, dolls, well, it is Labor Day. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing. Josh and Terry went to the pool. Caleb is getting ready to leave on a bike ride with his friends, so I'm kind of just here at the house messing with some things. I do want to show y'all some more pieces that I picked up from Hobby Lobby yesterday. So let me go ahead and do that while we're here. I'll turn you dolls around. It's got all the balloons and stuff in here. So let me kind of move those over and then I'll show you. A rug here and maybe a little bench or something over here. Just this kind of put your shoes and stuff on and off, like I was saying, more so than a chair. And I'm tiny, so you can't see me, but yeah, so I think it looks good. I think it looks really, really good, really clean, really neat. And so that's the entryway.